Okay, I'm coming to you today with what I'm calling the grand sinkhole theory. Now, everybody's familiar with these sinkholes that are appearing all over the world. It's a real problem, and they're everywhere. And my theory is that as they collapse, and obviously the surface of the Earth here has fallen down in there. That didn't just happen in a few minutes. That was evacuated, and then there was a skin over the top, and eventually it collapsed. And I believe that's creating atomic forces that explain virtually all of the unexplained phenomena. Lights in the sky, sprites, strange beams, bubbling hydrogen that's coming out of the ground, strange sounds all over the world. The Earth is creaking, and the surface is literally unstable. All right, so I'm going to just go through all this. Now, what you're seeing here is that's the sinkhole. Everybody knows that. Now, let me just... Now, what's going to happen here is we're going to see blue holes in a second. And the blue holes, let me come up here to where, whoops, oh, let me talk about this for a second. This is Lake Baikal. And these are people standing on the lake, these two people. And these bubbles are methane emissions from under the lake from biodigester holes, which are the sinkholes. All right, now, there's also blue holes. Well, here, let me show you something else right here. This is what I feel is the collapse of a sinkhole, and in the void under the sinkhole there are hydrogen gases and methane gases, extremely volatile atomic gases. And when they collapse in that tube, with the weight and the compression, you're going to have all kinds of atomic reactions, and you're going to end up with a photon pulse. And this is what they're seeing around the world. Now, watch what happened. These are pilots flying over the Pacific. They saw this. They saw this blast of light, and then they went on to see red glow. There was a red glow. Here it is. All right, and this is the red glow that's over the surface, and these are the cellular sinkhole biodigesters. That's what I'm saying. Now, that's one case here. Now, well, here we go right here. This is a sinkhole in Florida, and now this one is coming up in New Hampshire. They're all over the world. Now, this is boiling hydrogen and methane out of Canada. This is up in Canada. And that is 75-foot geysers of methane coming out of there. What it is a sinkhole here, and it is now collapsing. Now, do you see this? I'm saying that to Tianjin, China, that explosion was also the explosion of a sinkhole. The first one should have evacuated anything that was on top of that, but it doesn't. You see, all of a sudden the hydrogen is coming out, and it's burning again white hot, and now the major explosion will happen, and the whole entire sinkhole is wiggling down and falling. As soon as it falls, woof, and now you see, nothing should be there, but it is there, and now is going to be a catastrophic event. And that would be the photon pulse, and I mean, this was an absolute nightmare over there. And the atomic forces are absolutely incredible. All right, now, strange sounds. This is also, I believe, the gases being emitted and the crushing of the surface of the Earth.
Are wondering what was that rumble through South Jersey?
It happened
Was it an
everywhere.
elaborate prank, the sound of aliens, or something else? Those were some of the suggestions heard today as many terrace residents awoke to a rather unearthly sound. Similar sounds have been reported all over the world in recent years, including in Russia, the United Kingdom, and the United States.
The first inning.
Now, this was in 2011. Listen to this.
That's a haunting sound, if we've ever heard one. One ball, no strikes.
You hear that? Listen to this one. Here's another one. This is from, I don't even know where it's from. I don't know, maybe Russia. Listen to this. Whoops. Hold on a second. This is coming out of the ground. I'm saying that's a vibrational crushing of the surface of the earth. You can look these things up. They're all over the world. I mean, you hear these crazy things? Somewhere else in the world, I don't know where this is. Glasgow, Scotland.